Gave me recording. Okay. Sorry for delay. My audio was not working. Today we'll start geometry assignment number 2, part 1 with very important theorem. Pythagoras as well. Three triangles are similar to each other when altitude is drawn in a right angle triangle on hypotenuse. It is very easy and tricky solution of this theorem. So concentrate on this. If you will have any this sound related problem or vision related problem, you can raise your hand and tell the host. Three theorems from one diagram in a continuous form. We will see. This is 90. Now, from smallest to bigger, x, y, and 90 means z. Now, if I will draw one perpendicular from this vertices B, this is 90, this is 90. 90 means z, x, y, and z. X, Y, and Z. X, Y, and Z. So three triangle form. So first we have to prove triangle, triangle, triangle. Full triangle. X, Y, Z, C, A, B. That is first. Now second. X, Y, Z, C, B, D. This is the best method. Third triangle, X, Y, Z, B, A, D. First, this we have to prove. Second, we have to prove BD square is equal to AD. First Pythagoras. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. And third one, geometric mean, BD square is equal to AD into BC. This is the question. Let's start with solution. So first and third, first and second, first and third. Which triangle first? CAB. Second, CBD. This CAB. Triangle BAB. I have taken first and third. Second, I have taken first and third. In first full and second, what is common? C is common. And in second, and first and third, what is common? A is common. In full triangle and in this triangle, C is common. In full triangle and in this triangle, A is common. Now in first and second, which are 90? In first angle ABC is 90. In second, BDC is 90. In first, ABC is 90. In second, ADB is 90. Here, for both common reason is common, each 90. So by AA test, these two triangles are similar. Triangle CAB, similar triangle CBD. Triangle CAB, similar triangle BAD. By AA test. Now, if first similar to second, first similar to third, so here first answer completed. CAB similar to triangle CBD, similar to triangle BAB. Now, if these two are similar, write the proportional ratio. First, second, second, third, third, first. First, second, second, third, first. First, second, second, third, first. Say CA, AB, BC. First, second, second, third, first. First, second, second, third, first. Triangles similar. Two triangles are similar. Here, don't take this BC square, AC into DC. Here, don't take this, take this, AB square. Then left side total, right side total. AC common, DC plus AD. So AC dot AC. This total is AC. So it is AC square. So BC square plus AB square. This is second proof. This is first proof. Here by cross product. By adding A and B. AC common. Now AD plus DC is equal to AC. Now come to the third proof. First proof done, second proof done. In first proof, we have taken first and second triangle. In and first and third triangle. In second proof, we have continued with that. Now we will not take full triangle A. We will take only second similar to third. Which triangle second is this and third is this. Triangle CBD that already we have proved is triangle BAD. Okay, that is from first. Now first, second, second, third, third, first. First, second, second, third, third, first. Hard method. If triangles are similar, you can write the ratio like this. Okay, now we want BD square. So BD and BD. I will not take this. So BD square. is equal to AD into DC. So 3 proof we have completed in sequence from single diagram. This XYZ method is best method. From that you can write the name of the triangle, then you can write the ratio. Here you want BC square, so BC back you keep for cross product, rest of chain cancel. Here you want AB square, so you cancel this and take this. Here you want BD square, so take that too, rest of cancel. So here I want BC. Here I want AB. Here I want BD. So again, no need to refer the diagram. From the name of the triangle, you can write the steps in a sequence. Okay. Next, page number 38. Yes. In this, I want to show you different two methods. Try to understand this because this one small question they'll ask. Identify with the reason that it is Pythagorean triplet or not. Suppose it is 3, 5, 4. 3, 5, 4. Then it is given 4, 9, 12. Then it is given 5, 12, 13. This I have written 2 times. Why? Another question. These are the 3 lengths of the triangle. You have to find out that with this side, right angle triangle is possible or not. So generally, what you people are doing, you are separating highest one. So 5 square is equal to 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Then sum of square of rest. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16 is equal to 25. Both are equal, therefore you will write 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. Therefore 3, 4, 5 is Pythagorean triplet or a right angle triangle. This is common method, general method which is given in your textbook and that usually you are doing. Instead of taking highest common, highest separate, I will take lowest separate. This reverse. So 3 square is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 9. If I will select highest, then I will add. But I have selected lowest, so I will subtract. So like this, I will not add. From rest of 2, 5 square minus 4 square I will do. 5 square 25, 4 square 16 is equal to 9. So again both are equal. Okay, both are equal. Therefore, 3 square is equal to 5 square minus 4 square. This comes this side. 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. Therefore, triangle is right angle triangle or 3, 4, 5 is Pythagorean triplet. Now, I will continue with the second method, not force, because in force you have to find out every time the square of all the numbers. Correct? So lowest 4 square is equal to 4 into 4, 16. 12 square minus 9 square is equal to 1 time plus 1 time minus. Correct? So this and this are not equal. Correct? 21, 3. Correct? So 16 is not equal to 63. Therefore, 4 square is equal to 12 square minus 9 square is not equal. Therefore, 4 square plus 9 square is not equal to 12 square. Therefore, 4, 9, 12 is not Pythagorean triplet. 4, 5, 4, 9, 12 is not right angle triangle. If it is equal, right angle triangle. If it is not equal, not right angle triangle. Again, I will select my minimum. 5 square is equal to 5 into 5, 25. Then 13 square minus 12 square, 1 time plus 1 time minus 25. Both are equal. So I can say 5 square is equal to 13 square minus 12 square. So this goes this side, 12 square plus 5 square plus 12 square, 13 square. Therefore 5, 12, 13 is Pythagorean triplet. 5, 12, 13 is right angle triangle. So compare this, compare this. Both the method I have shown here of each number square you have to work out, and I am damn sure that you don't know the tables. So backside you will do the multiplication, and again in multiplication you will do same. So simple. Do this because 1 time plus 1 time minus. For smaller number I have not done 1 time plus 1 time minus, but the product of that two. 1 time total, 1 time difference. Product of that two. This and this, if it is matching, then right equal, 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 equal. If it is not matching, right not equal, not equal, not equal. So not Pythagoras theorem, not right angle triangle. Simple theory. This type of question, 100% they will ask. But which number that I can't say. Any number they can ask. You adopt the method. Concept should be clear, so you can solve. Very easy. Don't worry. Then second one I have given. MNP. NQ is 9. QP is 4. NQ question. Today we have done 3 theorem. So this one is the third theorem in right angle triangle MNP. NQ perpendicular to MP. Therefore, this two statement is very important. Then only you can write as per geometric mean. NQ square is equal to QM into QP. (36) is equal to 6 square. We need NQ. Now 39. For isosceles right angle triangle, side is diagonal divided by root 2. And diagonal means the hypotenuse is side into root 2. Do by formula. No one will cut your marks. 100%. For example, in these activities, A, B, C. This is given root 8. For example, this is XX. Now, AB is equal to BC is equal to question. So write X, both are equal. Triangle BAC it is given, so 45 degree. If it is 90, so this must be 45 because isosceles. Therefore, AB is equal to BC is equal to 1 by root 2 time of root 8 is equal to root 8 by 2 is equal to root 4 is equal to 2. So final answer is 2. Find the side and the parameter when the diagonal is 10. Square. Diagonal is given 10 centimeter. So side is equal to diagonal divided by root 2. 10 divided by root 2. Multiply by root 2 divided by root 2. 10 root 2 divided by 2. Cancel. So 5 root centimeter. Parameter is equal to 4 side. 4 into 5 root 2. 20 root 2 centimeter. Area is equal to side square. 5 root 2, 5 root 2, 5 as a 25, root 2, so 50 centimeter square. These are the three formula you have to remember. When diagonal is given, side is equal to diagonal divided by root 2. Suppose side is given, diagonal is equal to side into root 2, reverse. Parameter 4 times side, area of side square. Exactly same for equilateral triangle. When side is given, height is equal to root 3 by 2 into side. Area of equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 side square. Sixth we have done, now seventh. Only these two things are given. See again, in right angle triangle EFD, measure angle F is equal to 90 degree. That is given. And GF perpendicular to ED. Therefore, by geometric mean, GF square GDGE. Twelve square is equal to 8 into GE. So 12 into 12 divided by 8 is equal to GE. 4 2s are 4 3s are 2 6s are. So 18. Now this is x, this is y, for example. Now in this right angle triangle, FGE, and triangle in right angle triangle FDG, EF square is equal to EG square plus GF square by Pythagoras. FD square is equal to GD square plus GF square. By substituting this is x square or EF continue. 18 square, 12 square. 8 square, 12 square. Here 12 12 are 18. 424. 448 6 EF square. So EF square is equal to root 568. FD is equal to root 208. So 568 half. Again half. Again half. So better you take this as a under root. No problem. Find the diagonal of a rectangle whose length are 35 and 12. It is given that quadratic ABCD is rectangle. Therefore, in right angle triangle ABC, 12 and 35 is given. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. 12 square, 35 square, AC square. 12 square we counted 144. This 9, this 6, this 3. 1369, 35, 37 into 37 2. One three six nine. That is a square of 37. Sorry. Ayat, how many minutes remain, beta? Ayat.
Yes, sir.
How much minute remain?
Sir, Zoom is providing unlimited.
From when? From when?
Don't know, sir.
Very good to know. We have to prove P square 4PM square. There are two type of the proof. If you will take in right angle triangle PQR, PM is median on RQ. Therefore, Rn is equal to MQ is equal to RQ by 2. Okay, by Pythagoras, PQ square is equal to PR square plus RQ square. PQ we want, so we will write same. PR also we want, so we will write same. RQ we don't want. So RQ we can write Rn 2 times. RQ is equal to Rn 2 times. So it is 4 Rn square. Now Rn square is equal to Pn square minus Pr square. Rn square is equal to Pn square minus Pr square. Now open the bracket. PQ square, PR square, 4PM square, 4PR square. So PR minus 4PR, 3PR square plus 4PM square. 4pm square minus 3pm square, PR square. Sorry. So this we got. Okay. In right angle triangle PQR by Pythagoras theorem. Here QR is equal to 2 Rm we have substituted. And now here we have done simplify. Here again right angle triangle PRM we have taken Pythagoras. Again we have simplified. Again we have simplified. But this we have done by Pythagoras. This we can say can do by Apollonius theorem. So first statement same, second statement same. What is a right angle triangle? This is a median. So PR square plus PQ square. This is Apollonius theorem. 2PM square plus 2RM square. When this is a median, square of this plus square of this is equal to double of square of this, double of square of this. This is a formula. So PR square we want, yes we want. PQ square we want, yes we want. PM we want, yes we want. This we don't want. RM we don't want. So for RM what we have substituted? PM square minus PR square. Correct. So PR square plus PQ square is equal to 2PM square plus 2PM square minus 2PM PR square. So 2 plus 2, 4. This will go this side. PR goes this side. So 3 PR square is equal to PQ square. So by Apollonius, right angle triangle PRN. Simplify. So there are two methods. If by Apollonius there are less steps, by this there are more steps. Okay. So 1 minute. How many students? 13 students. Very good.